Hi there, welcome back. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly copy fields from one form to another with the Bulk Actions plugin. First, make sure the plugin is installed and active. Then, from the left menu, click Forms, Ultimate Kit. Select the form that already has the fields you want to copy. Now, open the Bulk Actions panel. This is where you'll see all the fields from your form. Next, select the fields you want to copy. Here's something important. Before you move fields to another form, make sure your current changes are saved. Once your fields are ready, click the Copy to Form button. A pop-up will appear with a few options. Choose the form you want to copy these fields into. Placement. Decide where they should appear, at the top or at the bottom of the target form. Click Done, and the fields will instantly be copied into the form you selected. And that's it! You've moved fields from one WPForms form to another. Quick and easy. We hope this makes managing your forms easier. Download links are in the description. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more WPForms tips.